All right, in this video, we are going to practice ordering numbers. That means putting them in a specific order, either greatest to least or least to greatest. And for this one, we're going to go greatest to least. So, to help me do this, and this is what I want you guys to do at home with a pencil or a crayon marker, color pencil, and a piece of paper, or if you have a whiteboard and a dry erase marker, that also works. I'm going to plug these numbers into my place value chart, okay? And we need to make sure that we're plugging these into the correct place values. So I'm going to start with my 8, 4, 2, 1, 5. Put my comma. 4, 9, 5, 8, 4. 6, 8, 0, 1, 5. This is also going to help your numbers stay in line. So you're not writing your numbers and they don't start going down like this, the same number. You want to keep your numbers in line all the way across, and you want to line up your numbers in their place values. 5, 7, 0, 9, 4. And my last number, 9, 4, 5, 8, 4. Okay, so now I have my numbers in my place value. 51,248, 48,594, 51,086, 49,075, and 48,549. So I'm going to start putting these numbers in order from greatest to least. And when I write those numbers in order from greatest to least, I'm going to write them out down here on the bottom. So I need to find my greatest number. And remember, we look at the greatest place value we have. So I have a 5, 4, 5, 4, 4 in my 10,000s place value. And I'm looking for the greatest one. I know that 5, these are greater than 4. So I'm going to move on in this number, 51, 51, 51,000, 51,000. The 1, I'm going to stay with this number all the way across. Even though 8 is bigger than 1, 4 is not bigger than 5. 48,000 is not going to be bigger than 51,000. 51,000. I'm going to stay all the way across. So 51,248, 51,086. My 5s are the same, and the 1s are the same. So I'm going to move to the hundreds in that same number. A 2 and a 0. Which one is greater? 2 is greater. So I know that this is going to be the biggest number when I'm comparing these two. $51,248 is going to be the biggest number we have in all of these. The next biggest number is going to be 51,086 because it's the only other number that starts with a 5. So I am done with these. I'm going to cross them out so I don't get confused. Now I'm going to look at the last 3 numbers that we have remaining. We have 4, 4, and 4. Can we determine which one would be greater than the other just based off of the 4 in our 10,000s? No, we can't. So we need to move to our thousands place value. I have an 8, a 9, and an 8. 8, 9, 8. Which one is greater? 9. So that means 49,075 is the next number in our ordering from greatest to least. Okay, so all I have left is 48,594, 48,549. 4, 4, 8, 8, 5, 5. Does my 5 tell me anything? No, I need to move on to the next place value. 9 and 4. Which one is greater? They're different digits, so I know one of them has to be greater. The 9 is greater. So that means that 48,594 is the next number in our ordering, and the last number, the smallest number of these 5 numbers, is 48,549. So when you are comparing or when you are ordering numbers, you need to make a place value chart just like this and plug your numbers in. If you're afraid you're going to get confused, start plugging your number in with the ones and go backwards, and then that way you have them all in a line.